All right. Hi everyone. This is something I ordered off of Amazon. It's called the Oral Irrigator. It looks like this. When it comes to you and you open the package, there's this little tab. It will be inside there like that. And it's very difficult to pull out at first. So you have to just struggle a little bit and you pull that out and there you go. Then they send you a charging cord, and so that fits right in there, and you charge it. I charged mine first before I tried to use it. Then if you want to keep this by and keep it handy, it sometimes comes in like helpful when you want to load the water in the back. I have filled this, but I'll show you. The water level is back there, and to fill it, all you do is put under the sink and put your water in and close the little door, and you just fill it up all the way. Then it comes with 5 attachments. This one is a tongue scraper. I guess you can see that there. That's a tongue scraper. And then there's 3 other pieces. I'm not sure what those are for yet. I haven't investigated that far. It's easy to change. There's a button right here on the top. You press that button and pull it up. There you go. And when you want to put it down, it clicks in place. All right, then it's ready to go. And let's see, there's an on-off button right there. And the next button is mode, which if you press that, then that means you can change from normal to soft, or pulsing sensation, or I've never used this one. It says CH custom. But that must be a different kind of mode. I'll show you. I keep mine on soft. Like when I turn it on, water's coming out. There was still a little bit of water in the back. But I keep mine on soft. That's about it. I said definitely a must-have for me, and the money was very reasonable. I thought it was well worth it. If something were to happen to it, I'd definitely get another one. If you get one, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I'm enjoying mine. Thank you for listening.
This is my first time owning one of these. It's very cool. Oralfree thing. And it's a water pick and it cleans. I ran out of floss. So like this came the day I ran out of floss. So it was perfect. But like I wasn't expecting the water to go everywhere. Somebody told me to like put my face down in the sink. Somebody told me to do it in the shower. And I just let my mouth fill up with water, and then I stop it, and then I spit it out, and then I do it again. So I don't know if I'm doing it right, but I definitely know it's working. So I think that's all that matters. I just need to improve my skill, my technique. So this is what you do. And that's it. And I didn't brush my teeth. That was just like me warming it up. But I brush my teeth first and then I do that. Or maybe I'm supposed to do it the other way around. Either way, in the last week that I've been using this since I got it, I feel clean. Like cleaner than ever. Yeah, my dentist is gonna love me.
Charged. Just charged it yesterday. Went viral on TikTok and now it won't turn on.
That's the box. That's how it worked. You get the box like this. Then the item itself, and you need to assemble. You have several sizes for different brushes. Here's for the water.
So this is my newly arrived flosser. My first one actually, and so far I love it. That's all you can say is I love it. It's fun, easy, and fast. This is what it came with. Don't worry about the extra white pieces. I put those in there. Those go to my toothbrush. I definitely recommend it.
Right? And as you can see, water is in it. Right? As you shake it, water is in there. However, if I turn it on, right, there's no water coming through. But a little drop, but there's literally no water coming through. I change modes, it's the same thing. There's no water that's coming through. So,
this is a very good unit. I like the customizing on it and the fact that it really does a good job deep cleaning. And I think the blue light's pretty cool. When you turn it on, it turns blue. Very nice. I think when this one goes bad, I'll buy another one.
Oops.
Things put together with the dog alert, that kind of gave us the green light to inspect further.